Hey guys! Oh my god, so excited because we just launched our brand new Shades by Shan summer collection, the Summer of Love. And I will be creating a look with these palettes in just a little bit, but I did want to talk to you about how this collection came to be about. So as you guys know, makeup production doesn't happen overnight. Like, this was in our pipeline for months and months and months. Like, there's a lot of back and forth, there's a lot of reformulations, there's a lot of just time that it takes to produce a collection. So the fact that it's named Summer of Love, like, is a crazy coincidence because we never in a million years would have thought that we would be launching in the climate that we are in. So I don't know, it's really, really crazy that the universe just works in mysterious ways, and it's saying like, hey, come out with the Summer of Love. And yeah, we can't change the world with makeup, but we could definitely change the world with positivity and light and kindness. And this is what this collection is all about. It's about peace and love and unity, and paying homage to our city, San Francisco, where I was born and raised. So I'll be talking about the colors and what they mean. And yeah, this is available right now. It also comes with a lip gloss. Look how beautiful this color is. I can't wait to try everything on for you guys. So if you want to see the look that I create with these colors, make sure to stick around. Let's start off by like showing you the colors, okay? This is the Peace palette. Sorry, I like ran my finger through it already and I'm just like, oh my god, I can't wait to use it. So this is the Peace palette. The names are Trippy, Ashberry. So like, as you guys can see, like, you know, Ashberry the street, we named it Ashberry. Hippie and Bohemian. Love this palette because it has all the nudes. You guys know I'm all about the nudes, but of course the pop of blue, which is just going to intensify and just bring your look to the next level. I love, 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 love this eyeshadow palette. Next up is the Love eyeshadow palette. We have some color, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I know so many of you have been requesting like really bold colors, and we thought this was a perfect collection to do that with. And this is all like, I mean, look how beautiful these colors are, right? Like, you have your shimmery pink. Also, you have this pink right here as well that I don't know if you guys can see that, but it actually has gold flakes in it. So that is so beautiful. And then your blue and this yellow, which is so pretty. It's called Sunflower. This is Indigo, Groovy, and Free Spirit. So, yeah, really, really cool names. And I'm actually going to do a look with Sunflower today. I can't wait to show you guys what I come up with. So yeah. Oh, I'm not done yet. Duh. We also have a highlighter singlet. Yes, this is called Golden Summer. And oh my god, I wish my camera would like focus on it because it is so freaking shimmery, you guys. It's not even funny. And it's like a bronzy, summery highlighter. It looks beautiful on every skin tone because you know that's what we're all about. And then of course we have Starchild. And this is like, oh my god, how do I even describe this? So this is kind of like a peachy, here, let me just swatch it for you guys. It's like a peachy, stroby, glossy, like, oh my god. It's kind of like goes with my shirt. So if you are digging the peach vibes this summer, this is the one for you. So I can't wait to try this on for you guys. I guess without further ado, let's get into our makeup look with the brand new summer collection. Okay, pues, so we are going to actually use both palettes today. And yes, I will be going in with Sunflower. Best believe, I can't wait. And right now we're going to start off by building the crease with Ashberry right here. This is a super pretty transition color. So, oh my God, this one's like these transition colors and that one for the outer crease. Fire. All right, so we're gonna take a fluffy brush and I mean already like bomb, build that crease with a fluffy crease brush. And now I'm gonna darken up the outer corner with Trippy right here, this darker brown, and with a packing brush I'm just going to put that onto the outer corners, kind of bringing it down the lash line and into the outer V. And if you need to diffuse any harsh lines, you can go back with your fluffy crease brush and just blend, blend, blend. And now it's time for the the yellow right here. Oh my God, screams summer. And I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Yes, baby, yes. Pigment coming through. I'm just going to place this over my lid. And you can totally use a brush if you feel like it. But I just love using my finger for the lid placement. And we're just gonna pack this baby on because we want to be seen. And then we're gonna do it to the other side. And then you can always go back with your fluffy crease brush if you want to diffuse any harsh lines. Okay guys, so all I did was I just added a little bit of black liquid liner off camera because I didn't want to make a fool out of myself if I messed up, but the eyeliner gods were on my side, thank God. So now the next step is to add lashes, or you don't have to, you could just curl your lashes, add some mascara, and be done. But like, how beautiful is this, right? I'm digging it. Okay, so I was initially gonna go in with some like kind of intense lashes. I mean, but I think I'm just gonna go in with some wispies. You know, I love to be natural. So I'm gonna just do this off camera as well. And I'm gonna use the Duo Lash Glue on some Ardell wispies that you could buy at Walgreens or CVS. And I'll be BRB. I will be BRB. I will be right back. Okay, done with the eyes. I just added mascara and called it a day. I also just lined my lips real quick with the lip liner from 1985. You totally don't have to add a lip liner. I just did to add a little bit more of a pout on my lips, but no, we get to go in with our brand new baby right here, which is part of the Summer of Love collection, and it's called Starchild. And I don't even want to talk about it. I just want to put it on so you guys can see how fun this is. All right. And again, non-sticky, has our other formulas, and just fun and vibrant for summer, giving us those peachy vibes that I love. Everyone loves peachy vibes for summer. So last but not least, I know what you're thinking. What about the highlighter? We're going in with Golden Summer. So this is totally gonna match your lips. It is gonna be so pretty and just bring the whole look cohesively together. And I'm just gonna take a controlled fluffy brush and go in, baby. I'm gonna go in. So excited. Right? Bringing that like subtle peachiness to your cheeks. You could totally use this as an eyeshadow as well. I like putting it on my nose, on the tip of my nose, and on my other cheek. So freaking beautiful. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Obsessed. Put some on my shoulders because, you know, we're all about being all bronzy. Oh, how am I gonna do this one? So the look is complete. Okay guys, so this is the final look using the Summer of Love collection, available now at sbscosmetics.com, and we're proud to say that a portion of this entire collection is going back to the National Black Justice Coalition to help end racism and homophobia. This is a collection that is very near and dear to our hearts. It is launched on what would have been the Pride Parade here in San Francisco, and we're just paying homage to our wonderful city by the Bay, and pricing as well, same as always, $25 for the quads, $16 for the lip gloss, and $17 for the highlighter singlet. I will give you guys a swipe up link to shop now. Thank you guys so much for your support. For my people who are scared of color, don't be. This is the summer to try new things. If we're home, and we are going to be showing you so many tutorials and videos on how to use each and every color, so you will know how to use your palettes inside and out. And thank you guys so much for believing in us and always being there for Shades by Shan. We couldn't be here without your support. So let's make a difference for the MamaBerries Nonprofit and the National Black Justice Coalition. Swipe up to shop. I can't wait to see your creations. Love you all.